Hello friends and family, welcome to 1st of December. Happy 1st of December. Today is a great day. You know what? It's actually an awesome day because it's not far away from Christmas. It is 1st of the month. And also we are, again, beautiful day, beautiful trades today that has happened. So for me, well, just basically we're just going to talk about what we can expect for tomorrow and for the rest of the week, I guess. My name is MINDBLOWING, Forex trader, economist, and helper. I'm here to help you becoming a better Forex trader. So if you are here to get better as a Forex trader, you have come to the right place. Something not awesome happened today, and I think we're just going to go through it one by one, I guess, and we shall see. Let's see. Yeah, and I have a Discord channel if you want to get along. That's cool. And yeah. Welcome everyone. Welcome Odeka. I also yesterday published some monthly plans for gold, New Zealand pound, euro, and Aussie. So nobody's been commenting about that yet, but you can if you want to. I am Iskal on TradingView, or I don't know, else you can find me. Maybe you can just go to Discord channel and you will find the links there. Circling guys, you're a Swissy. That's interesting, but we can do it since Peter is such a lovely person. First, you want me to wait. Another feature apparently in TradingView that I haven't really been using is you can see other people's trade plans, and somebody has messed up trade plans. That's all I'm going to say about that. And it doesn't bother me. So what are you wanting to see? Okay, so first rule of engagement. First rule, you need a trend. So you need a trend, you need support and resistance, high or higher low. Let's see. That is a low, that is a high, that is a higher low, that's a higher low, that's a higher low, that's a higher, that's a high, that's a high. Okay, cool. We have a trend. When is that since? So that's basically 9th of November. Okay, in a range ever since. Not a good pair to trade at all, because if you compare that to euro dollar from the same point, this is 9th here, we have risen much more. So taking that in consideration, what are we then doing? Then we can go into maybe some monthly plans. Okay, it's at RM3 still, which is a sell pivot. This is a sell I would like to break above. Okay, then I will go into weekly. Weekly we start off at the buy price. Ah, that's great. Another buy. So you have monthly, you have no trades, 0. For the week you have 3 trades. Let's go down to daily. Take away that one. So daily you have 1, 2, 3, 2 trades, I would guess. Daily we have 2 or 3 trades. 2, 2, 3 trades. Okay, so that would be 6 trades. Bullish. Okay, so what are you expecting for tomorrow? You would expect and hope for a new higher high, pullback, and continuation. So for tomorrow, if you get prices of around 1842 or between 1842 and 1808.33, you're good. You can only look for buys in this area. Cool. Thank you very much. I just analyzed Euro Swissy for you. Amazing. Boom. 3 likes for that. How long do you expect these rallies to last? Well, let's do euro, yen. That was a bit fast. I must agree. And I didn't buckle up as much as I needed maybe to do that. Fast rise can also lead to fast fall. Have that in mind. And another thing to that is, what do we do? Well, tomorrow, if we see prices down to 125.27, we can buy back up again. Okay. So today was a buy. Yesterday was a buy. And is that Friday? Friday was, yeah, it went okay, I guess. So, okay. I think the only thing we can say is follow the plan, follow the plan, follow the plan. If we don't get prices down here by tomorrow morning, then we don't care. So, this one's still moving though, but around that price. Though it's just my personal opinion, doesn't need to happen at all, and trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone, so take whatever my opinion as with a pinch of salt. It's only my personal opinion. No investment advice. Nada, nada, nada. And Mohammed, hi boss, hey chief. Pound dollar, USD yen. How are you? You know what? I am amazing, Emmanuel. And you know what? Since we now have thousands of pips, I need thousands. I can't even write thousands of pips. We have thousands of pips from these webinars since 4th of November. I hope that you guys are also enjoying it. Okay? You are an important part of this puzzle. The only reason why I'm here. But when I tell you that's a buy zone, that's a buy zone, that's a buy zone, that's a buy zone, that's a buy zone. Do you follow that? Do you believe that? That's a buy, that's a buy, and that's a buy. Wait a bit. Buy again, buy again, buy again. Because, yeah, you know what? I don't know what I should do today. I felt like the guy yesterday that asked for $10. Should I have just given him $10? Should I not have given him $10? Maybe I should ask him if he comes back today and somebody asks for $10. I was like, okay, what can you help me with? And I will pay you $10. So you know what? Awesome. Awesome. I'm awesome. And the trading is going awesome. Trade plans are going awesome. Market is actually also agreeing with us, which is good. So we're just adding positions and adding trades and adding prips. So yeah, it's going amazing. Okay, we can do pound dollar. Okay, so what really happened to pound dollar? Straightforward buy. Okay. Somebody in the group said, I'm not going to say names or bash or anything about it, but somebody said, oh, it can't break above. Okay, it did break above. It was just not at that time. Also, for tomorrow, that is the buy price. So if we come back down to 134, I'm definitely buying. Like, it's just straight out of the book. If it comes down to 134, I'm buying. I might have bought something already. You know what? It's good to be in profit sometimes, you know. It does me well. I feel like it looks well. So it's not really about me. So what can I make you? How can we as a community think, you know what? This is the best live webinar at 8:30, my time at least, PM. What can we do for tomorrow? We can give you a trade plan and saying, if price comes back to support, you are then allowed to buy it. Use stop loss. It's all up to you if you want to do that. But, you know, if it does, you never know if it does. Yeah, if it does. And Brexit is all there. Negative rates is all there. There's all tons of risks. Just have that out there. It can just go knock down. That's why we have stop losses. Okay, all right. What about Brexit? Nah, I don't know. It changes every day, I guess. But I guess now they are mostly likely to make a deal, so that's why pound dollar is going up. That's all. But this is your job. Your job is to buy price at support, at support, at support, at support. Is this a market you want to be in? Probably not, but that's basically your job. At support, buy, buy, and then now it broke out. So you can also say that's your buy, that's your buy, that's your buy, and now it comes back down to ish, not closing, but you're like, okay, cool, chill. That could us be a buy. That's actually a get out. Now you wait, now you wait, now you wait, now you wait. Oh, now it's higher. Cool. Take it back down again and go higher. So that's really your signal to start engaging again. Hi, MINDBLOWING. Nice to have you here. Do you know what? I might be smiling all and that now, and maybe because of the profits and all that things. But you know what? I just love that you guys have been given the opportunity I was never given, to sit with someone and I tell you in advance what to do. In advance, I told you what to do. Okay? I told you back in November, probably here or somewhere here in this area, which is 400 pips ago, that pound dollar is going to go up. And it's all up to you to find an entry and buy it up. So if that doesn't give it a like, wow, I will. So what is my thoughts on Euro New Zealand? Emmanuel, I will go through Euro New Zealand, just not right now, because I just want to emphasize that we are now getting back on, oops, that was wrong. We're now getting back on track. We're now looking at that and going higher. Price might just go higher. It doesn't really matter. But if it does, it's if you get your price, you will take it. Because if it doesn't do that tomorrow, there is, that's Wednesday, you get it on Thursday instead. And if you're then on Friday, you might get it on Friday. And if you don't get it on Friday, you get it on Monday. All right? Someday it will come back to support. 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 You just don't know which day it is. Okay? It will come back to support. It will come back to support. Will come back to support. Will come back to support. That's quite beautiful trades. Then I was supposed to go to USD yen. First of all, I do not approve of you trading it. That's first statement. Second statement, I want to trade USD, yes, and I want to trade yen against dollar, euro, pound, New Zealand, and Canadian dollar, which else, and then pound. Those you're trading against yen and dollar. As you can see here, my most favorite pairs are up here, and then Swissy as well. I don't have any USD yen. Okay, I have it here apparently, that I like. So, why? Because they move together. They are equalizers. So, let's see, since 9th of November, 4th of November, sorry, that price here, pound dollar has risen, what was it, $400? And since 4th of November, USD yen has moved 11 pips. The range has been 200, yes, but since now and then, it has been only 11 pips. Does that tell you anything of why you shouldn't trade it? That's all. So where do you want USD to go? I want it to go down, generally speaking, but it's also against something that's also weak. So to me, I don't know. It can go up, it can go down. As you can see here, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. So I guess down. But yen might be weak now because it has been strong here, strong here. I don't know. My apologies. I honestly think that it might go up because yen is becoming weaker. But it's just trading two Ferraris against a Ferrari, and you're trying to get something to win. Good, you want an easy win, and you choose Ferrari against a Ferrari. I wouldn't, but if you want, you know what I've done? I would have driven a Ferrari against the Ford Fiesta or Fiat 500 or whatever you call it, Pluto, and I would have won by a mile. That would be a better thing. What make yen weak? Ah, such a nice question, Mohammed. I love that question. You know what that question answer to that question is? A lot. Right. Okay, I will give you some reasons, then you can agree or disagree with me, okay? So, one. First one is stimulus. Okay. Second one is risk on. So risk on leads to dollar weakness, yen weakness. Why? Because traders takes risk. Okay, so traders takes risk. Why? Because there's stimulus. 2, there's risk on. 3, we now have a president in America. That also makes a risk on environment because we know what we know. Now we know what to expect. Now we have risk on because it's risk off when we don't know. And then 4, we also have an improvement of global trade. We are not so bad. You know, we had been quite far down, right? We were down 40% or whatever, 40-50%. And now we have to recover that. Also, we have more stimulus now. We have low interest rates. That also does make all this go. And then we have, seasonality. What does that mean? That means that, give or take now, from August until December, that is normally the theme. Generally speaking, we are normally risk on in this time of year. That's why it's called the hunting season, at least in my book. And then stock market rising and all those things. So for the market, which is pricing in 1 year into the future looks brighter. Also, that the stimulus is coming out of America might be more stimulus now, need more stimulus. And if you don't, this is going to turn around. But until then, yeah, we are all good. So this is something I teach in my mentorship course. If you want to join there, you're much welcome. But other than that, I just give you the fast version of why we have weak dollar and weak yen. Other than that, flip a coin. Or you also have the COT report. The COT report for euro is that 75% of the hedge funds or financial institutions trading in the financial market for profit, 75% of those who has positions in euro are long, 25% short. You know what? 206,000 contracts long is a lot. And only 68 short. I think we were on the flip side back in January. I can't remember what it was. I think we were net 104,000 negative. So we're way more shorts. Now the market has flipped around. That's why also euro is rising. All right, cool, good. Was that Can somebody give me a thumbs up on that? I think that was like a very good explanation. That's up to me. But please, someone, give me a thumbs up. You know, you have that icon thing that gives you thumbs up or clapping, something like that. Cool. I gave myself that. Someone needs to tap my shoulder. Cool. So, why does this matter? Why should you learn this? Why should this be in your head? As a trader, you have the power to gain knowledge. This is what controls the market. This is what leads market. This is what drives the market prices. So I hope that goes good. Then we have Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand was a very what do you call it? No, not interested, but very liked pair that I did previously this fall. But that was a long time ago. Okay, so what did we do back in this fall? So from July 21st here, one of my mentorship students says, you know what, Evan? Should we buy it? He bought it. Amazing. Which is the second one? We bought it. Is it here as well? 21st of September. We bought it here as well. Took it up. And then from October, I said short it from October. So that's a sell. And that's a sell and it's been a sell ever since. Though I have not been paying attention for it in November, so I'm not going to take any credit for it. But it has fallen 600 pips. Okay. What else did we do? Did we do something else here? Did we trade this fall here as well? I think we may have. I'm not sure. Maybe go back in my videos. But something like that. So we have called out some of these moves. Right now, it's kind of like, what do we do? Now it has kind of bottomed out. Euro did rise today. I don't know if that's a weak New Zealand or strong Euro or whatever. But I think we will see price by 15th of December. So that's around somewhere here. We will see down to 166. 14, 15. So around there, we'll see that 1466, give or take. So far, yeah, that's the only way I'm looking at it. Can they have a pullback? Yes. It hasn't really gone to a sell price even. So any new pullbacks, lower lows, cool. All right, awesome. Trade plans for maybe for tomorrow. I think you are at some critical price points here. I don't like it that it hasn't turned around for you yet, but maybe that's a sell price. And for the daily scalp, you still need price to do that. You need that one to be lower. Like you can sell it here, 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 but not here. So we just wait. So you have been selling all those. So this one is a higher high, so you wait a bit. That's all. What else, people? Anything else you want me to go through today? Only 6 likes today? Wow, I don't know what you want, people. I've given you pips. I've given you amazing content, I believe. I've given you smiles. So that should be good. So is it money you want? Is it money? Is it all about money? It's all about money. Is that what you should give you? $1 per like and then choose one of them to gain all of those. For Australian dollar, US dollar, we haven't had the rise as we have had in euro. So that's about to pop sometime. So this one is a wait. So I'm just waiting for that to pop up. Okay, so that's interesting. Maybe Australia is very weak at the moment. Aussie. Yeah, okay, cool. So I guess this one is just waiting for the other ones to pick up. And yeah, still bullish, still good. You're still doing awesome. Giving great value. Yeah, Aussie, yeah, we are here, Ollie. So I would say that this one is about to rise through here. Is it going to happen in Asia? Most probably happen. Doesn't need to happen in Europe. Yeah, maybe it can actually be Asia. Now in Asia. So if you are in this trace, you kind of want a new higher high, and then that. So for the daily, tomorrow is a new low. Yeah. Now I think it's still what is overwriting all these things is the weekly, which is here. That is the best price, not the best price. That's almost the best price. This is the best price to buy from. So if you got that, that's cool. Now just waiting for a high. So I'm waiting for tomorrow at London to buy it back up again. But if it does go up in Asia, I won't. But I still have trades on here. So I don't know if you remember this 71 to, what is it, 72? 71.60 price I said to you back in November. That's 200 pips from now. So boom, amazing profits. What about New Zealand dollar? 2-week high bullish. Yeah, okay, cool. That's okay. We can do that. We're just going to bounce around to that. What is my target, mate? Target for this week. Well, it's difficult. But I think 76 area between here and here. So somewhere in the 76 area, I think we will go for. Either that or 15th of November. No, December, sorry. Depending what comes first. So, you want to go, you can go to Christmas. Just have that in mind. Just have that thought in your mind. Either you get, what is it now? 200 more pips on Australian dollar, which is pretty awesome, I would say. Or you get profit target here, which is in 15 days and you're done for December. You can go to Christmas, you can go to Hanukkah, you can go to, I don't know, it's not it now, but you can celebrate with friends and family 9 days before Christmas Eve. At least what we have. Or 10 days, for that matter. 10 days before you're supposed to celebrate with family, you can go out and buy Christmas gifts, check for family. You know what? Come back 31st of January, 31st of December, sorry, and sell everything back down again. That's my plan. Yeah, okay. So right. So I'm thinking that up to, wait, this price here, 76 area, and then by 31st of deck, we're going down. New Zealand dollar. Okay. Oops. So I'm thinking up to 72.60 first of all, or where are you? By 15th of December, take profit. So either this or that, depending. Either 15th or 72.60. I'm taking profit, and then I will sell 31st of December. All right. So until then, we are still bullish. Is it going to fall? No. It just made a higher high. That's a sell price if it then went here and then here, that's where you can sell. So it didn't work out. Sorry, Mike. So now we are looking for buys. You need a lower low to sell. And if you don't have that, then you can't do anything. You have to have that. You can't do anything about that. Oh, sorry about that. I made kind of those. What's the target for euro dollar? I think target for euro dollar is 121.60. I think it's 121.60 or above the area. Yeah, 127, 121, 122 actually. I think it is 122. 122.2 area. Australia, New Zealand. Hi Joshua, where are you from? Is 2.5 reasonable? What do you mean reasonable? 2.5? 250? 2.5? That's a high. That's high. 120, 122.50. That's high. Okay, another thing that I don't do is Australia, New Zealand. Okay, I don't do this. Nicht gut, nicht gut, nicht gut. This is not good. Why? Because this is strong and this is strong. This is Lamborghini against Lamborghini. I don't like that. And though we're falling, okay, technical analysis says it's falling. Okay, then we can look for falls. That was your sell. That was your sell. That was your sell. That was your sell. You're already taking profit. So you kind of want price to come back up here to 105.50. Give or take 105. Sorry. This area here. And then short. Yeah, that's what you want. Kenya. Karibu sana, Joshua. I kind of understood your name. That's all. Karibu sana, habari yako. Puff bap. Yeah, that's what you're gonna want to do. And of course, you can just fall away from you. It doesn't really matter. So the other aggressive entry is here, maybe. No, maybe here, M3. That's 104.50. Karibu. So yeah, those prices I would look to sell from. But why did you sell? Why did you sell New Zealand dollar? Why? That's the big question. I have said, so I have said since 67, since this price here, buy. If price is above, you buy. And there's a lot of buys, and it's still just a buy. You buy here, you buy here, you buy here, you buy here, you buy here. Like, it's very straightforward. Every single day, when price is in this area, you look for buys. So you shouldn't come to a different conclusion that if price comes back tomorrow at 70.44, you're thinking, yeah, that should be a good buy. Because we're still trending higher. And then you might take a loss. True. I don't know what the future. But, you know, buy, 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 buy. It's very straightforward. I can almost do this in blind. I can just wake up tomorrow and just buy. You made $100 on USD. Cool. Congratulations, Mirza. Happy for you. So, I think this is going to happen until 15th of December. Why? It is the Fed meeting. Okay. Do you know how many pips I made today? Do you want to know how many pips I made today? I haven't calculated even. But only today, that's 90 pips on that. 80 pips on that. Then euro yen is also moving around. I think I bought it here somewhere. Maybe. 108. And then if I bought it here as well, that's 145 today. Multiply that by whatever the account size you have, then you'll get how much you should have made today. This is what you should have made today. Then if you did pound as well, you should have bought it down here as well for pound. That's also a good one as well. So today only, you should have made hundreds of pips. Today you should have been hundreds of pips up. That's 100. Was it down one? Let's give that 150. We're just eyeballing it. And then 250, and then 300, give or take, 400, give or take. So pretty much 400 pips you should have made today. Oh, 400, sorry. You should have made 400 pips today. Only today. Buy those. Hardik Chief. Hey, how are you? USD CAD, how does it look? We can look at USD CAD. Does it look bottomed out? Well, really, does it? Well, I just think this is just can go. That's all. My kind of theory to this life is just doesn't really now. It doesn't really care anymore. The target is the goal, and whatever setup it does on the way doesn't really bother the market at the moment. I don't agree that it's bottomed out. Yes, at the moment it stopped here, but that's not necessarily a bottom because you also have the seasonality with it. If this is the bottom, it's not going to last forever. If it then makes a new higher high and whatever, we're still going to fall again. And by me saying you should have made $400 today on those 4 pairs, it's my statement to push you in the right direction. I have not said you should sell euro dollar. I have not said you should sell New Zealand dollar. I have not said you should sell pound dollar. I've never said that. I have been steadfast. I can now make a video going through taking clips from what I've said and put together to a video and say, aha, I told you so. But I want you to understand, whatever I do only speaks for myself and my own results. But I want you also to achieve them. I came from nothing. I didn't know trading, but I have failed my way to success. Failed. I mean fail. So, can you make it? I believe 100% in you. Well, it requires something here and there. But the ability, yeah. So for USD CAD, I think we're just going to make a new low, have a pullback, maybe over Asia, and then by London, then London takes it up, and then by New York, as it did today, take it down. That's all. That's all. So that is today, this morning. Yeah, and the euro took it up-ish, and then New York down. Cool. Can I just say that you are, if you sold New Zealand dollar, just go out to FX SSI. I'm not part of them at all. You can apparently get some discounts there as well. But if you look here, do opposite of what this is telling you. If it says 75% short, do look for buys. Whatever you do, don't do what these people are doing. This is retail traders. They don't know anything at all. Go to this COT report I've given to you in the Discord channel, all for free. This says that 75% is long on euro dollar. On pound, well, that's a different story. But here it maybe says it's shorted. But for New Zealand, that's mostly buys. Australia was mostly buys at some point at least, but now it flipped a bit. But still, it's all because why? US dollar is mostly short, meaning this one is going to fall because the big boys wants it to fall. You need pound yen assistance. We can go to pound yen, Hardik. That's all cool. If you just understood, people, please listen to me. It might be difficult to listen to someone, but please. What did you do, Hardik? Did you sell it or did you buy it? Let's give Hardik some help here for everyone to see. What should you do? How can you do this? Let's go to daily. Okay, first of all, daily. What does the paper button say? It says buys here for tomorrow. Okay, what has it done in the past? Buy, nothing. Comes a bit low. That would make you wait. New higher high. Buy today. If you want to do it again, buy. So we are now in buys here. We are in buys from here. And we are in buys from here and this area. Nothing in here. Okay, what else? And then we are probably maybe buys from here as well if you did that. But that's all. So, cool. Nice and easy. Back down to 139.76 and up. Maybe it doesn't come all the way to the price, but that area at least. It's a buy. What's report are on COT for gold? I haven't. Was it gold there as well? I don't know if it did gold. Okay, cool. So longs took more profits, but this is also something we can do to gold. I can do to gold now. Okay, cool. We'll do gold. Why I don't like this commodity, because this is for Tuesday. But if we look at gold, so I'm just saying that's a buy price, and we'll leave it at that. Tomorrow, cool. Nothing else. Don't look for sells. Don't sell it. If I told you, don't sell it. That's my opinion. Gold. Okay. First of the month. It's a buy. I don't know how long I've said it. I did make some trading plans yesterday on gold. And I said, that's a buy. There you go. Up to 90.70. Okay. So for tomorrow, I don't know if we're actually ever coming down to this price here. But I will find that tomorrow. Now, whoever took profit here likes this. This is where they get in again. If that happens, that happens. I don't know. I don't care. But we have now changed. Okay. So for the COT report, we are mostly long, very little short. We have been taking profit. We have also taken profit on short. Interesting. They also bought 17 area time. 17 area here. They also bought in this area here. May have taken some profits, but added again now. No sell at all. I didn't catch gold entry. When can I enter it again? Tomorrow. Oil. What do we have on oil? We know what we can do oil. Someone told me that this is buffering. Why is it buffering? Just having a tactical break now? Is that what you call it? Technical break? Tactical break? That's all break? 13, 14 likes today. Cool, let's go. So, gold. What do we do with gold? Just want to go through gold very quickly with you. So for tomorrow, that's the buyer price. Could be the price. Gold isn't necessarily the easiest one to travel with, I guess. If you go back to when it was really rising, it wasn't always very cooperative. You know, not always, sometimes, not always, okay? Just have that in mind whenever it starts to locomotive thing. Last year, which is just one out of many, went 1st of December, fell, rose, came back again on NFP. So if we now have a large rise to NFP, we might fall on NFP, and then on Monday might be a good one again. So have that also in mind as a plan B. Cool, plan B. Buy on a Monday. Yeah, I tried to put some trades in. Was it here maybe? I didn't get in. But yeah, sometime at bad time that came back there. Didn't do it. So that's me. But I think that. Cool. 1970, so we're going higher. US oil you asked for. Okay. This is now on hold because OPEC extended their meeting to whenever that was. I can't remember. But they say, hey, we are on hold. So I think the market is going to range until then or fall. So for oil, we don't have an entry. I don't trade so much. This one. But yeah. And whenever OPEC gives a thing, it will either go down or it will go up. Okay, cool. Target for the month is 52. Will we ever get to 52? I don't know. It's a goal. As a buyer and as a seller, it's down to 33. But I don't think 33 is possible. I think 52 might be the one most possible out of the unreasonable ones. All right, cool. Now you're asking me, Ivan, what do we do tomorrow? How do we do this thing? How do we know? Well, first of all, I want you to be awake for this thing called London Open. There is some times around there when price starts sparking out. I'm not going to tell you right now when I think that's going to happen, but I want you to start analyzing when does euro dollar, for example, rise. What time of the day does euro dollar rise? When does it start? When does it stop? Make up your opinion. Start trading those hours. See how it goes. You might get an surprise. So for Australian dollar, Australian yen, we have not popped yet as of the same thing that the euro did today. That's yet to come. For Canadian, did something today as well. Did rise higher today, though I don't trade CAD yen anymore because I'm lazy. I don't know. I don't care. Maybe too much loss, too weak. Because if I bought back in here, I would have been back to my profits. I would be gonna be out again. So I don't like it. It's a weaker one of all those things, right? Euro is amazingly high. Euro yen is amazingly high. Might have a pullback, but before you rise tomorrow. Have that in mind. GU thinking of having a pullback. This is all good. This is amazing. This is top notch. Any break below 133 is a different story. But until then, we're good. Pound yen, pullback. Until we have broken below 138, 139 somewhere, we're all good. New Zealand also went higher today. New Zealand also went higher today. So we just wait for tomorrow to find a better buy price. I think that's that. I think that's amazing. I think, you know what? We, as a community, is doing very well. By the way, I just want to tell you that whatever you do, let's see, I would call this as a very easy market condition. This is very easy. If you use my pivot points, I'm going to give that to you now in 2 seconds. If you use pivot points, either for daily, for weekly, or whatever, you are going to get better entries. Okay? Better entries, better entries, better entries, better entries. Instead of taking them up here, you can just simply wait, put an order in, you're cool. Wait, put an order in, you're cool. Wait, put an order in, you're cool. And that's how things goes. And sometimes it doesn't hit your price. That's all okay, because you are adding until 15th of December, right? Together. I haven't found that heartache. And that's actually quite interesting to have COT. I guess there is. I guess you just have to figure it out yourself, I guess. See COT report from all these things, because that's quite special. But if we go to Chicago Board of is it this one? Doesn't have that. Okay. Well, we just have to figure it out here somewhere here. I'm not sure where they are placed, that's why. But somewhere here. I guess they are here somewhere. Natural gas on the New York exchange. Here they are. All right. On the CFTC site on New York exchange. Cool. Good. So for me, people, I feel a bit exhausted. I do hope that you, as just as me, understand that markets are difficult. You just have to make it easier for yourself. Make some rules. Have a strategy. Have a plan. See if it works. If it doesn't, go review it. Ask me, is this a good trade plan? Tell me, what is your strategy? Come to me. I can tell you if you should not or you shouldn't do it. The other thing, you should not be buying dollar at the moment. You should not be buying yen at the moment. It might be a good idea for 1 hour, 2 minutes, whatever it is. But generally speaking, the best profits has been up. Ever since I said that at 67 on New Zealand dollar, we have been rising. So yes, you can sell here. You could probably sell here as well and still get some out of it. But it didn't bear fruits. Okay? I think that tomorrow is going to be awesome. If you want to join my Discord channel, let me see if I can find a link for you. And we will have more fun times tomorrow. I've now given you the opportunity to set yourself up for success. Now it's all up to you to provide, execute, the success that you always wanted. Okay? As traders, psychology is important, and the importance for psychology is rest and sleep. That's what I'm going to do now. So until tomorrow, boom. Happy profits. Today was another awesome day.